This is the microwave splatter cover glass. And this is how it comes directly from the box. It's actually not very heavy, which is important to know. And let's just go ahead and open it. It comes really well protected, as you can see over here. And it's really easy to just take off. It's surprisingly light, which I am very happy to realize that. Here is this microwave splatter cover, and it gives you the instructions on how to install the knob and the information about the cover size and the mat size and everything. So it's very helpful. And as you can see over here is the glass, the knob, the mat, so this is something that looks really nice. Also, it's easy to clean, and it's just something that is going to last you a long, long time. So I really like this. And it has these two holes too, so the food can breathe as well, which is necessary for the microwave. So that's something that I really like as well. And I'm just going to go ahead and install the knob and then put it to the test. This one is another ceramic thing. So insert the screw through the cover. Align perfectly there, and we're just gonna put it like this. Perfect. Very easy to install, very quick. And of course, you keep this open, and it has an extra one just in case. This is just an extra ceramic screw that you can put. So now we're gonna open the mat that comes with it, because this one is the one that we're gonna put on the microwave. This is how it looks. Very nice, good quality. Okay, and now we are just gonna put the mat first over here in the microwave, and then whenever we are ready to put something on the microwave, we are just gonna put the plate with the food right here, and we're just gonna cover it with this. So this fits perfectly fine. For instance, on this plate, that is my biggest plate, but if you have other sizes, of course it's gonna fit a little bit better. Let's check. So if you have any other ones, this is how they fit. And that way you can keep your food protected, and your microwave, of course, also protected from the splatter and keep it cleaner. So that's something that is good to have and easy to clean. So it looks really nice, and it looks really good quality. So that's something that is definitely an upgrade for the one that you probably currently have.